25 people have lost their lives in a nightclub in Goa. FIR has been registered, investigation is underway, and NDTV has reached one of the club in the national capital, which is in Defence Colony, that is the Romeo Lane. And exclusive pictures on NDTV will be showing you that this pub is also owned by the Luthra brothers. Now remember that in the first public response since the tragedy, Luthra brothers have issued a statement. They have stated that the management expresses profound grief and is deeply shaken by the tragic loss of lives, and also in fact they have called it a movement of irreparable sorrow and overwhelming distress. Here we can see that there is one fire exit in case of fire, but what actually must have happened in that particular Romeo Lane in Goa, that is quite questionable. We'll quickly try to go upstairs and check so as to what is over here, because what we are being told is that this club was closed, has been is shut for months, and now these are the inside pictures of the first floor that we are giving you. That was the ground floor, and these are the exclusive pictures, NDTV only channel inside the Romeo Lane in the national capital, which belongs to Luthra brothers. Here in the pictures again we will be showing you the kind of sitting arrangement that was made over here. As we briefed that the lookout notice has already been issued. The narrow lanes, in fact, what we have told there in Romeo Lane in Goa, proved tricky after the blaze because fire engines could not reach the club and had to be parked about 400 meters away. And we'll also speak to the individual over here. दादा कहाँ पर है ये लूथरा भाई? अभी
ये हमको पता नहीं है।
ये कब से बंद है? अभी
4-5 महीना हो गया।
4-5 महीना हो गया। यहाँ पर कितने लोग आते थे?
ये हमको कोई पता नहीं, 1 महीने से तो हम यहाँ आए हुए हैं।
जब से बंद है तब से आप आए?
हम जब से बंद है तो उसके
किसी को बेच रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
ये हमको पता नहीं, ये तो मालिक बता सकते हैं।
अच्छा, मालिक कौन?
मालिक है कपिल जायसवाल जी।
अच्छा, और लूथरा, गौरव लूथरा, सौरभ
दूसरे किराएदार थे,
हाँ,
तो उनको खाली करवा दिए।
All right, so that was the security guard over here who was present at the Romeo Lane, from where we are reporting right now in the Defence Colony, giving you the exclusive pictures from inside, that how the Romeo Lane actually looks like, or rather we should call it as the killer club that killed 25 innocent lives in Goa. And above that, not following the norms, not following the safety protocol, inching towards the December, the owners are unaware so as to what is happening in their own club, and even if they were aware, then why not action taken on time? With Vijay Aman, this is Stage 3 for NDTV from Delhi.